What's good? It's the kid from the middle of the map. And that's where I'm at. Been a long time playing partners, but your boy's back. Ain't gonna make it long. But check this out. So, I should have had the camera running because been out here removing the container grown pups, the banana pups. This is the Viente Cojo. And I got these out so far. They were a lot easier this time. I'll leave a link to the last time I tried to do this. This is quite the obstacle. But anyway, so here's where it came from. And the mother plant. And then there's a pup here that's really outpacing the mother plant. I'm debating on if I'm gonna take that out or not. Uh, but yeah, so basically what I did is I came in here to show y'all, now that I've got those out, how I'm gonna feed the soil and the plant. So here we go. So I got about a half-gallon bag here of food scraps, berries, anything from the kitchen, orange peels, you name it, I got it. I'm gonna use this. Let's see here, there we go. I'm gonna use this to feed, the banana. So here we go. All right, so maybe kind of hard to tell, but from taking out the pups, there's already a pretty good trench built or formed here. I just cleaned it out a little bit more. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick all these food scraps down in here and let the banana continue to grow and feed off of that. We have about 2 months left, so obviously this won't break all the way down, and then you have to bring them indoors and stuff, but I leave it outside because this is a fairly cold hardy banana, the Viente Cojo. So I'll leave it out when it starts getting fairly cold as it can take. That'll help to kill off any bugs or anything. It'll help to offset the breakdown of that. So as we bring it inside as necessary, we won't have a problem with bugs and things like that. So here we go. All right, so I actually only have to use about half of that bag. So as you can see, I've got everything in here. Wasn't prepared, hold on. So I've got basically everything in here now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push it down a little bit further, like so. Make sure it gets down in there nice and deep. And anything that you have food related, you can go ahead and put it down there. Scraps are the best, and I would break them down later. There's orange peels and things in here. Make sure to break those down as small as you can so that they'll break down a lot faster. Making sure to get this down into the root zone as much as possible. And then when I'm done, I don't know if y'all can see this. Sorry. Shoddy camera work. Let's see here. Just start backfilling from all the way around. And there you go. I will obviously come back and pack this down a little bit better and make sure. Sorry if I'm breathing all heavy in the camera, apologize. I'll also go ahead and make sure to water this in very, very good and thoroughly. And there you have it. So this is the Viente Cojo container grown banana. Got to clean up the little mess. And we go from here. So that's what I do. And from there, we got these. We'll let the root systems sit out in the sun for a couple hours, maybe even all day. Make sure that corn fully dries, those roots dry. And then hopefully these can find a happy home. So that's it for today, man. Container grown bananas, you can do it. These are fruiting. And I'm gonna try and make it do what it do. Got a couple of varieties over here on the island, but for right now, this is the focus. So if you love this, share it with somebody. And also, not really into growing bananas, but you want to grow your own food, no matter the space or containers or time, got you. There will be a link here where you can go ahead and sign up for the pre-launch. Sorry about that. You can sign up for the pre-launch of my all-new online gardening course called The Hyperlocal Grower. Go down, it'll be the first comment, or in the description. Sign up, it's free. Get on the pre-notification, pre-launch list, and be up to date whenever we fully launch this. So, it's your boy the Guard Mac, and as usual, you know that I got love for those who got love for me. Much love from the middle of the mouth. That's where I'm at. Oh, this that new juicy fruit. Feed for your plants, partner. All right, cool. Peace. Hey, don't forget, click the link, join the pre-launch list for the new online course called The Hyperlocal Grower. All right, peace.